Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a feel-good way to breathe. Sometimes I find things that feel good to me and I think maybe they'll feel good to you too. Anyway, I've shown a video in the past about breathing in this position here, and this is great for finding your diaphragm and strengthening your pelvic floor. But sometimes people lack the stability and mobility and the strength to actually get in this position comfortably. And really, those are all the same things. Anyway, what I've discovered is that if you bolster your tailbone and lift your butt up off the ground, man, gravity just takes over and you can almost just relax in this position. And just hanging out here and breathing, it just feels really good. When you're in this position and gravity just takes over, your hip flexors really get to relax. Your psoas gets let off the hook a little bit there, and it's just really quite comfortable. And you can just hang out here and breathe deep down into your belly. And still notice if you're trying to strengthen your pelvic floor, you just want to create a good relationship between your diaphragm and your pelvic floor. This is a good way to do it. And there's not really a lot of stress involved, especially if this is comfortable for you. Naturally, if this is not comfortable for you, you're not going to like this at all. However, for me, this is quite comfortable. Anyway, just hanging out here and breathing. Down into your belly, and you can watch my belly actually lift my knees and my feet a little bit. Anyway, that's our tip for this week. Bolstering your tailbone so you can allow gravity to allow your body to relax and just comfortably hang out and breathe. Now, I'm going to show you one more thing because this feels awesome also. And it's just lengthening out and coming back. Lengthening out and coming back. Now this really opens up the hip flexors and feels quite amazing as well. And if you wanted to make this into a cross crawl, you could. Like if you wanted to double dip and really get some good stuff going in your brain as well, you could just hang out here. I'm going to tell you guys, this one's free, but it's amazing. Anyway, give these a shot. Let me know what you think. Of course, you don't have to have a foam roller. You can have a pillow or something that you can just lift your tailbone up off the ground.
Is there something else I can help with?
No, Siri, thank you. But give this a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
Oh, one more thing, guys. Remember, Thomas DeLauer is not V-Shred. He is not the V-Shred guy.